Did you know a teenage boy once broke the most feared unit in the ancient world, then wept over their bodies when it was over? 338 BC, the plains of Chaeronea. Philip of Macedon gave his 18-year-old son command of the elite left flank. Facing him stood the sacred band of Thebes, 300 soldiers, 150 sworn pairs, each man vowing to die before he dishonored the man beside him. They had never been defeated, not once in a generation of war. That bond was their armor. Love made them unbreakable. Alexander studied their line and found the angle no one had found before. He drove his cavalry into the seam where their formation breathed, and he split them open. The sacred band did not run. Every single one of them died on that field, standing. Alexander walked among their bodies afterward and wept. He was 18 years old. He had just shattered the unconquerable. And he understood, in a way few conquerors ever do, exactly what he had destroyed. Devotion met genius. Genius won, but genius still mourned.